Hey traders, welcome back to Trade Empire. Today in this video, we will learn about the RSI trading indicator and how you can use it for your advantage. Let's start after a short intro. Back to the video. So the first question is, what is RSI? RSI is a technical indicator, and its full form is Relative Strength Index, and it is an oscillator indicator. Oscillator indicator means the indicator that moves from 0 to 100, and it can't go out of this 0 to 100 range. RSI measures the magnitude of recent price changes to determine overbought and oversold conditions. Here on the screen, we have RSI indicator enabled, and these are two levels of RSI. The lower one will be 30, and the upper one will be 70. And this is the RSI line. It tells us whether the market is in overbought condition or an oversold condition. To apply the indicator on chart, go to the Indicator tab and type RSI. Click on this. Now go to its settings. The upper limit will be 70, and the lower limit will be 30, and the middle limit will be 50. The main purpose of RSI is to tell us the overbought and oversold areas. Now look here, if the RSI line crosses above the 70 level of RSI, it means that the market is in overbought condition, and we can expect a dump from here. And if the RSI line crosses below the 30 level of RSI, it shows that the market is in oversold condition, and we think that price can go up from here. Always remember one thing. If the price is in oversold area or an overbought area, we will not execute the trade suddenly. We will use some candlestick confirmations to execute the trades more accurately. The next question is, should we trade when the RSI line is in the middle of zone? This area between 70 and 30 is the middle zone, and we call it no trading zone, because if we are using RSI indicator, then we will only trade in oversold and overbought market conditions. And if the price is between 70 and 30, then according to RSI rules, we are in a sideways trend, and we will wait for price to cross the 70 level or the 30 level. The second way to use RSI is more effective and easy. First, you go to RSI settings, and you have to check this smooth EMA box. And now we have the RSI line and the moving average line. The strategy is simple. First, look at the RSI line. It should be an oversold or overbought area. And here the RSI line is above the 70 level, means market is in overbought condition. And this moving average line has crossed above the RSI line. It indicates that the price can go down from here. And this is what exactly happened here. And here the RSI line is below the 30 level. It means that the market is in oversold condition. And this green moving average line is crossing the RSI line to the downside. It indicates that the price can go up from here. And that's what exactly happened. Our next and most important topic is, how can we execute trades by the help of RSI? In this step, first of all we will look at the RSI. After getting some indications from RSI, we will look for some candlestick patterns, or we will use some price action concepts. Let's go to the charts to learn practically. Here in the 4H Bitcoin chart, the market is in a downtrend, and the RSI is below the 30 level, which indicates that the market is in oversold condition, and it can pump from here, but we will not execute immediately. We will wait for any candlestick indication or any change of character. And now look here, we have a bullish engulfing candle here. That completely engulfed the previous red candle. And the RSI line has also been returned to the 30 level. It is showing that the oversold period has been done, and price is now going to recover. So now we have all the confirmations, and we can execute a long position here with 1-to-2 risk and reward ratio. Let's see what happens. And here, after RSI and candlestick confirmation, we have a winning trade here. But remember, No, any indicator or any strategy is 100% perfect, but a good strategy and valid confirmation can reduce the risk of losing and increases the chance of winning. After this winning trade, now look at the RSI. It is at the 70 level. So we might get the short signal here. Let's wait for some price action. Look here, the moving average line has been crossed above the RSI line, indicating a bearish signal. And we have a shooting star candlestick pattern here, and a double top pattern here. Means the price got rejected from this level multiple times. So now we have all the confirmations, and we can execute a short trade here. And look, we have won the trade very quickly. Here's another example. The market is in a downtrend. And this is the recent lower high created by price. And the RSI line was below the 30 level. And after this green candle, it crosses above the 30 level, indicating that the oversold period has been done, and a pump can be possible here. But we will not execute immediately. We will wait for the price to create a change of character by breaking this lower high to the upside. And a change of character has been done here, but if we execute here, our stop loss will be bigger, so we will wait for a pullback. And here, after this pullback, we have a bullish engulfing candle here. It shows that the pullback is ended now, and price will continue moving upside. We can execute a long position here. And finally, we have a winning trade after 3 valid confirmations. Remember, use RSI indicator only to check if the market is in oversold or overbought condition, and to execute the trades. Use candlestick patterns or use price action. If you have enjoyed the video, please give us a like and subscribe the channel for more trading videos. Wish you good luck for your trading journey.